my lovelies. Good day. How are you all doing? I believe you are good, beautiful, handsome wherever you are. So this is your Ijebu girl as usual, and officially welcome to my YouTube channel. So my lovelies, I want to wish every one of you happy Christmas in arrears and the happiest New Year in advance. So my lovelies, in today's video, I'll be unboxing what my daughter bought for me for Christmas. My Christmas gifts present, my Christmas gifts. I'm so happy. So if this video is what you are interested in watching, kindly give this video a huge and massive thumbs up, like, share, comment, and kindly support your Ijebu girl. Support your girl by subscribing to my channel. My lovely, subscription is very free. Please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So without talking too much, let's begin the video. So something happened yesterday. My daughter came back from school day before yesterday, and she said she has already told me on the phone that, Mommy, this year's Christmas, I won't buy you any gifts because I don't have any money. I said, okay, fine and good, there's no problem. You can't be, you're a student now, and you can't be buying me gifts every year, every Christmas. So, lo and behold, yesterday I was in my room. She now knocked on my door, said, Mommy, let's say, pass this to me. And I said, well, I was just pranking you yesterday. Babe, this is your Christmas gifts. My lovely. Can you see? Watch it. See what she gave me. See what she brought to my room. She got to boss it on your mommy. My daughter. She's a student too. So I want you all to sit back and let us unwrap. So let's start with this. Yeah, I'm really tired of it. She packaged it in. She's hey, this girl will not stop to amaze me. She will not ever cease to amaze me. That's where she is. She's a pranker. She will prank you, and the prank will enter your you think the prank is real. Every time my daughter pranks me like this, it will enter me. So she gave me scar. Can you see, love this? This girl, oh no, oh man, family and Shani. She brought dental floss. Can you see? Set of sewing kits. These are thread, needle. I don't know what all these ones are for. Set of sewing kits. Something fair. I'll look for it. Yeah. I love my gift, so thank you, my daughter. God will bless you for me. Oh. She gave me this too. She what's this? This should be a pet. Ah. Oh, I love this. Very portable. Very portable. It's a perf. It is a perf. This is my name, Omolade Alafia. She printed a bag. I don't know where she got this from. And they printed my name on it. Omolade. Wow! Jesus! Oh, jeez! She made this herself. Can you see crunchies? She made this. She made crunchies. It's crunchies. As I was saying, this is what she does. My love is, please patronize my daughter. She does crochet too. Crochet dresses, scarves, scrunchies and so on. She's on TikTok. Her TikTok handle is Legacy Stitches. She made it for me. I'm so happy. Yeah, this is the biggest of all them all. You know what is here? Oh, you know what is here? Oh wow, what's in lepa? Yeah. What is this? Oh, beach cap. My beach cap. Am I fine? Am I good? Am I beautiful? Beach cap. Thank you, my daughter. Wish you for me. God will bless you. What is it? Let's leave this one. A Christmas London bag. Jesus. Wait, can you see? She bought this for me. Lady shaver. So shave all my, to shave my armpits and my boob under me. Shaver, ladies shaver. And this one is what's this? Okay, rechargeable callus remover. Can you see? They're just like a pedicure set. Yeah. Let's open. Let's unbox properly. Wow. Wow. This is the charger, rechargeable. You can recharge it. Wow. What's this? Yeah, can you see? So remove my callus is on the. Don't know. Okay, this is for this replacement. This is an extra callus remover. This is an extra one. Oh, beautiful! I love you so much. Thank you, my darling girl. My baby is taking care of her mommy. She's taking good care of me. Wish you for me. My beautiful daughter. Oh wow, they are beautiful. Wow, this one so is chargeable. This is the brush. Oh wow. Oh wow. Can you see my lovelies? It's for me to shave my armpits and my charger. Oh, they're beautiful. They're all beautiful. Bye, Nisha. Here. She even made crunchies for me. Hey, oh, ọmọdé yìí ò ní ṣe mí lè ṣe o. No, please help me pray for my daughter and my husband. They have really done well. See what she made for me. Oh. See what she made for me. Oh. Let me remove this. See what she made for me. Oh. Yo. They are sets. This is the crunchies, and this is the headband. Hey, see what she made. Oh, please help me patronize my daughter. She's on TikTok. Legacy Stitches.
Yeah.
So lovely. Let me pray for my family, my husband and my children. They have really done wonderfully well for me. buying me gifts, sending me gifts from abroad. My daughter brought the gifts, all these gifts you are seeing, she brought them from school. Help me thank them. They deserve my prayers. Please help me thank them and pray for them. Thank you all.
What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, she dey cook anything wala. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate.
So lovely, I just wrote my goals for the day. These are what I want to achieve today. I've written them down now so that when they're great for all I want to achieve today. So I want you to give this my video some likes. I want you to share the video and subscribe for me, please. And again, I want you to pray for my husband and my children. They have really done wonderfully well for me in this Christmas period. I've been unboxing, unwrapping, unboxing gifts and presents here and there. So let me say a word of prayers to them. Thank you all for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.